Hi, good day to you all. Hope all are fine. Okay, last day we learned regarding the sentence and its categories. Today we also learn a small topic, plan to learn a small topic, that is parts of speech. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. P-A-R-T-S-O-F-S-P-E-E-C-H. Parts of speech. We know that what is meant by sentence. Sentence is a group of words and it has a complete sense. So we know that words there. And also we need to know the functions of that words in a sentence. What are the words functions? What is the function of a word in a sentence? For that purpose we are learning parts of speech. Okay, let's come to the point. There are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay, there are 8 parts of speech in English. First one, let's learn only 3 today. Noun, let's discuss noun, adjective and pronoun today. Okay, only 3 we can discuss. The first one, noun, is very simple. A noun is a name of a person, place or a thing or an animal. Okay, it's a nouns are naming words. Only think about it. What is meant by noun? They are naming words. Maybe it's a name of a person, place, maybe it's a name of an animal, maybe it's a name of a thing. Okay, nouns are naming words. We can discuss some more examples. Vivekananda was a great saint. Vivekananda was a great saint. We know that. Okay, so what is a name? What is a noun in the sentence? Which is a name there? Vivekananda. Okay, isn't it? Yes, of course. Vivekananda is a noun in the sentence. Vivekananda was a great saint. Next one, Ganga is a holy river. What is the naming word there? Ganga is a holy river. The name is Ganga, right? It is the name of a river. And of course, Leela is a beautiful girl. Which is the naming word there? Leela. Obviously there. The naming word is Leela is a beautiful girl. Okay, so it's clear that noun as a name of a person, place, thing or an animal. Nouns are naming words. Okay, let's go to the next. Adjective. Oh, it has a close relationship with noun. An adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of noun. An adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of the noun. Okay. Or an adjective qualifies or modifies a noun. Okay. For example, Leela is a beautiful girl. Okay. Who is Leela? Leela is a beautiful girl. Which word modifies Leela there? Beautiful. Am I right? So, which is the adjective there? Beautiful. So, the word beautiful modifies the noun Leela. So, it is the adjective in the sentence. Leela is a beautiful girl. The word beautiful is the adjective in the sentence Leela. Okay. Next, Hari is a clever boy. Who is Hari? Hari is a what type of boy? Hari is a clever boy. So, he is clever. The word clever modifies or qualifies the noun Hari. Okay. So, which is the adjective there? The word clever. The word clever modifies the noun Hari there. Hari is a clever boy. Adjective is clever. The word clever. Because you get it now. because the word clever modifies the noun Hari. Okay, next Vasu is a tall man. Vasu is a tall man. What a type of man he is? Is a tall man. He is a tall man. Okay, so tall, the word tall modifies or qualifies the name Vasu. You got it? Nothing else. It's simple. Adjectives are words that qualifies or modifies nouns. Okay, nouns are naming words. The next one adjective. They are qualifies or modifies nouns. Okay, and the third one pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Okay, a pronoun is simple. We use instead of noun. Okay. For example, John came late because he had to work. John is a noun there. He came late. John came late because why he late? Because he had to work. He had to work. He is working. He is coming by work. Okay. So he had to work. He was late. John came late because he had to work. Which word we use instead of John? He, H-E, he. So, the word, a pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Next example, the bird is hungry. Give it some food. The bird is hungry. Give it some food. Who is hungry there? The bird. And the next sentence, give it. We use it instead of the noun, the bird. We use which word? It used because of the bird. The pronoun used for animals, for birds. Okay. So the bird is hungry. Give it some food. So we use it, the pronoun, for the noun, the bird. And you look beautiful in this dress. I like it. You look beautiful in this dress. I like it. Okay. So, you also a pronoun. And comes to the next example. Leela and Lata are always together. They are good friends. Okay. Ramu and Bubu are good friends. They are always together. They are always together. They are in the same class. They are always playing together. They. We use the word they there instead of the nouns. Okay. So, a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. You, me, she, it, he, they, I. These words are, we can use these words are pronouns. Okay. So, we discuss 3 parts. First one, a noun. It's the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. And the next one, adjective. Adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of the noun or qualifies a noun. Okay, and the third one, a pronoun. It's a word used instead of a noun. Okay, that's only today. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.